All right, here we got a 35-foot reel disc. It's McFarlane. Gentleman quit this part of his operation, that's how we ended up with it. It's got like 18 3/4 inch front blades. To 19, they're right in that range, depending on where you measure. The reels look like they're okay. Got a 3-bar spike hair on it. It's got a back reel, rear hitch, rear hydraulics. This the cover boards look like they've got a few little bends in them, as you'll see, which is very common. But decent tools. They've welded that hitch on and added it to it. They pulled the packer behind it. So you'll see where they've added that to it. It's not factory, but they did a nice job. Framing's good. It's like a 15-foot base on it. So here's a non-factory weld. Like you'll see a little bit of this. I think that's a non-factory weld where a factory weld maybe started to crack and they fixed it. But pretty common on these. I mean, there's a lot of weight here. 7-inch spacing on the blade.